I let my Instagram followers choose my nail design.
Y'all gonna put some respect on my name.
So I prepped my nails for the acrylic application a few days ago when I thought I was going to do my nails, but I'm going to make sure that I've removed the natural shine from my nails. This will help the acrylic to stick a little bit better. I'm just using the more soft side of the nail file to do that. You're not really digging into the natural nail, you're just kind of removing that top layer of the shine. And then I'm going to make sure that underneath my nails are nice and clean. I wash my hands very well to remove any oils or lotions. That way my nails will last a very long time and my nails are nice and clean. So I'm going to take this red acrylic powder that I got from the beauty supply store a long time ago. And then I'm also going to take this green. I like to keep my glitters inside of these little jars. I think that says Sassy. I'll be using my Cover Pink by ᶫᵒᵒᵤ. I'll also be using the Beauty Secrets. This one is like a sculpting white polish. I mean, not polish. Powder. And then I'm going to take the ᶫᵒᵒᵤ nail prep. So this is a dehydrator and I'm going to apply that all over my natural nails. After applying the dehydrator and giving that a second to dry, I'm taking the CND nail prime. So this is an acid-free primer for the nails. I'm going to apply that to my natural nail bed. And I believe I did 2 coats. If you use nail tips, you won't have to apply the dehydrator or the primer. You only need to apply that to your natural nail bed. So I'm going to use my sculpting forms that I got from Amazon. You get like a 100 count roll of these or like a 500 count roll of these, so they last a very long time, especially for me because I don't really do nails, I just do my own. And I'm going to kind of like pinch the side of that. I'll be using my ᶫᵒᵒᵤ liquid monomer, and the brush I forgot to show you all is the Panna Kalinsky brush size 8, also from Amazon. So I'm going to go ahead now and I'm pulling up the votes to see what you all voted. I have to do the coffin shape. You all want me to do kind of like medium to short, and then also match the shoes that I showed you all in yesterday's video, my Jordan 1s. So we're going to do red, green, and white. Also, be sure to follow me on Instagram. I may let you all control another portion of my life for Vlogmas. So I'm starting off with dipping into the red. I think the brand on that is Sassy. Like I said, I only kind of do my nails, occasionally both of my sisters. So my products last a very long time, which is why if you're someone who wants to really get into doing your own nails, I definitely say go for it. Sure, you may not get it right the very first time, but practice over and over and over will definitely help you to perfect doing your own nails. And not only that, the money that you're going to invest, sometimes just even in one set. Like some girls I know pay maybe like $100 for a set. So imagine taking that 100 instead and investing in yourself and learning to do your own nails is definitely worth it. So on that next nail, I'm going to kind of do like a custom mix. I'm taking this white glitter, mixing that with some of that white acrylic powder that I showed you all, and a little bit of clear, I think. And then I'm going to mix that up. I rushed it, so the consistency is not right at all. I thought I was going to kind of do a white glittered nail on my ring finger, but you all are going to see before it's set on me, I kind of just used the brush to kind of just swipe that off because I wasn't satisfied. So instead, I took some of that clear powder and then I mixed that with the green glitter. That's how I make my own custom mixes. All you need is glitter, clear powder, mix the two together, test the consistency, and then you're good to go. So I'm going to use the green all over my ring finger and just build a coffin-shaped nail. There are numbers on the side of these forms, and so since you all voted for the medium length, I'm going to go to number 4 to make sure they're not too short and not too long. So after building each nail, I literally always do this. I like to take the clear acrylic powder and I apply that on top of the design, whether it's a basic design, kind of like just the plain red you see here, or if I've done like a glittered type of design. That way when you begin to foul, you won't foul into the color, you won't foul into your design. It helps everything to stay nice and vibrant and encapsulated. And not only that, adding that clear layer on top also adds strength to the nails. That way they won't be too thin to where they'll break, but they're not like super thick either, like when I first started back in like 2011. Oh, I need to put it out there, by the way, I am self-taught, no license or anything like that. So for this next one, I'm kind of doing what I consider water marble, but it's with acrylic instead. You take a bunch of colors, sit them on top of each other, let them just do whatever they may, and then you kind of still form that shape of the nail, but don't mix them together too much. And then when you want to check and see if your nails are ready to be fouled and if you can remove the form, just kind of tap with the opposite side of your nail brush, you'll hear a clicking sound that lets you know the nails are ready to be filed. Taking my 180 grit nail files. I got these in a pack on Amazon. I really like them. They're very strong. The grit is really nice on these. To really perfect the coffin shape, I like to kind of hold my file at an angle and go underneath. And then to make sure my nails are very straight along the end, I hold my finger straight, I hold my file straight, and then I just kind of go back and forth through all the difference between the hand that had been filed versus the hand that wasn't. I rub along my nails a lot as well to make sure that they're nice and smooth. After my filing, I kind of just went to bed since I didn't have the polish that I needed to finish the designs, which I'm going to show you all now. We got groceries. Easy on me, babe. I didn't get the chance to. Y'all want to see what I got? Yeah, I know my tripod broken, so boom. Okay, let me take off my house shoes so they don't be loud. Grocery haul for the week. The Naked Juice. I actually wanted the green one. She was like sending me pictures. The blue Naked Juice. ᶫᵒᵛᵉᵧ, the turmeric love. So it's got purified water, lemon, turmeric, pineapple, and then passion fruit. I got the breakfast smoothie. Sometimes if I don't get up in enough time to have breakfast before church on Sundays, I'll just grab this and take it with me. I also like these lately. These Starbucks Frappuccinos. This one is the vanilla one. Like, I like to get more than one, but they never have a bunch of them. They used to have the 4-packs and then it would be like a little bit shorter. I don't know, I'm gonna check Walmart. I just added on this one. This one kind of scares me. If y'all saw in that other Vlogmas video, when the mirror came for the living room, this is the one that I had drank and it just had me too hyped up. So I think when I drink this one, I'm only gonna drink half. I couldn't focus. I was too up, too hyped, it was just doing too much. So this one is okay. This one is decent. I don't need the energy from it. I like the taste of these. I'm still a tea girl. Speaking of tea, I circled back to the Sweet Tangerine Positive Energy because I didn't really have like a morning tea. I have a few teas, but I didn't have what I consider a morning tea. And my tea combo is usually my tea. Honey, she got me the Simply Truth honey. And then I like to add lemon. Either lemon juice, which I mostly got that from my salmon and my asparagus, or I do like the actual lemon. So I've completely transitioned from using sugar in my tea, which I love. But yeah, I like this one. It actually has caffeine in it and it's really yummy. Sometimes I'll add a cough drop depending on my mood. And then I normally just boil mine in my teapot right here. I got the ᶫᵒᵒ immunity shots, the defense, the elderberry, and then the digestion shot. The digestion one has apple cider vinegar, so I'll drink this one maybe like after maybe like a dinner or something if the meal was like a big meal. Elderberry shot, so I'll drink these either like maybe like on a Friday or a Saturday night if I was out. I'm not saying that these like prevent COVID or anything, but I just like to drink these now to kind of keep my immune system up even more. And then I also like these right here. It's actually made with real eggs and you kind of just mix it in and put it in the microwave. With the Vlogmas going right now, sometimes I just kind of want to be quick with starting my morning so that I can get my footage ready for you all. Quick microwave thing, but the eggs are real, so I love that. Y'all, I'm glad she was able to get this. It was saying that this may or may not be available in the store. I want to do a red and green like beauty shower routine video for you all because I do have a sugar scrub, but it's not red or green for the video. So this is going to come in handy. It's the Tree Hut Coconut Lime. These have gone up to like $20 some on Amazon, so I'm not even gonna link this through Amazon because that's just too expensive for a sugar scrub to me. Well, not for a sugar scrub, but for knowing that the Tree Hut ones used to be like $5 or $6. I'll say that. Needed white polish. If you follow me on Instagram, then you all know I have you all controlling the way I'm going to do my nails, and they're basically finished. I just needed the white. I didn't have a white polish to do all of my designs. Like, this is the base of the look, but I just don't have the designs yet, which really makes all the difference. This is really what I needed, and then I just added on all of the rest of this because I wasn't going to have an Instacart shopper bring me a bottle of nail polish. So I got a lemon, 2 avocados. I'm about to make some avocado toast. I'll link Vlogmas Day 2 if you all missed that. Some more items to do the cucumber bites with: 2 cucumbers, cream cheese, and the ranch packet, as well as the tomatoes. The tomatoes are for the avocado toast as well as the cucumber bites. Some pink salmon, family size, because I may make enough of this to put away. Don't know yet. The whole grain brown rice. I wanted the wild rice. They didn't have that one, I guess. Stouffer's meatloaf with mashed potatoes. I got some sweet potato fries, my asparagus right here to go with the rice and the salmon. The 24 case of the water, the 100% whole grain bread, which will come in handy for the avocado toast as well. A few things that I could kind of throw in the microwave when I'm trying to like sit down and edit and I don't have that much time. That's why a lot of times when y'all like, do you cook? Most days when I do cook, I'm not vlogging on those days, and so I kind of just breeze through my cooking. I get it done. I'll probably actually film and show you all when I fix my salmon and my asparagus and my rice. It's like my favorite dinner to cook for myself. Working a lot behind the scenes, trying to get videos finished. When I do cook, it's me taking a break from using the camera. I try to keep myself on a morning shift to kind of be clocked out as far as YouTube goes. At least with Vlogmas, I've noticed that I've been able to clock out at least by 7. So I started like maybe 10 in the morning, and then I go till like 7 at night. A lot of the videos are posted by like 6. So then I kind of try to be active in the comments for at least 30 minutes. By the time I cook, I'm done vlogging for the day, so y'all just never really see that, which is why y'all sometimes see me fix breakfast a little bit more than dinner. But at the same time, y'all know I don't really cook like this. Healthy choice, this is the meatball marinara. I got the grilled chicken pesto with veggies, the beef and broccoli, and then the chicken marinara power bowl by Healthy Choice as well. I try to, if I'm going to do a TV dinner, to at least get one of the ones that sort of aim at having a little bit more of a healthy way of doing their ingredients, I guess. Kind of trying to, you know, do a little bit better, just a little bit. So those are my groceries. I'm gonna take a break to eat what I want to eat today. Let's do the avocado toast for breakfast.
Down on your kids, watch over them. As I want you to know, you always have a special place in my heart. Never forget you. Do everything I can.
Love each other. Let's respect each other. Let's rise up together. And not
we got the groceries put away, had our breakfast, back to the nails. So I'm going to take my nail drill. This was gifted to me from a company a couple of years ago, so I don't know the name. It's not labeled or anything. I'll link something similar down below for you all. And I'm taking one of the bits that has like the little safety portion on the end, just to make sure my nails are cleaned up even more, and I've kind of really sealed that cuticle area. I'm gonna buff my nails. This will help to further smooth out the surface. I washed my hands using soap and water. Now I'm taking my Nail Addict base gel polish, and I'm going to cure that underneath my UV lamp for 2 minutes. I got this UV lamp from eBay years ago. That's why I say when you invest in these things, they last a long time. I haven't replaced the bulbs. I haven't replaced this lamp. And basically, I'm going to remove the tacky layer, or the inhibition layer. It's basically kind of sticky to touch. So you want to wipe that off just with some rubbing alcohol and a cotton pad. And then I'm going to go in with my designs. So I got the Sally Hansen white on. This was in my Instacart order, thank goodness. Like, imagine me getting all of those groceries and then not having the one thing that I needed. So I'm going to use this long striper brush to kind of do some snowflakes on this one. I did some random dots here and there. That's really all that I'm doing. It's just like lines and dots. I'm using the Wet n Wild. This is in the color Crime of Passion, and I'm going to apply some red dots in between those white ones to make a candy cane. I removed the footage of me applying the white dots because it wasn't in the frame, but basically that's how I got my candy cane design. The white and red polishes used to create these designs are nail polish, not gel polish. I wanted to make sure that they were fully dry before applying the gel top coat, because otherwise you'll see that the polish would wrinkle underneath. And then after that, I followed up with the Beauty Secrets cuticle oil from Sally Beauty. A quick heads up for my headphone users, because my initial reaction to finishing my nails is kind of loud.
Look at my nails. My God. Crack got candy canes and snowflakes and everything. Y'all gonna put some respect on my name.
I want to give a huge shout out and thank you to everyone that participated in helping me do these Christmas nails over on Instagram. Thank you for the votes. Thank you for participating in the poll to help me come up with our Christmas 2021 holiday design. I absolutely love the way my nails turned out. I love the way that they match the shoes. For everybody that voted for them to match the shoes,
Super cute.
y'all spot on. Y'all on point. Y'all did me right. Y'all treated me good. Look at these. What? So I'm about to make some hot chocolate, and I figured that would be a cute way to conclude today's video, making myself some hot chocolate while I get ready to sit down and edit this one for you all. I got this from Sam's a little minute ago. Swiss Miss milk chocolate, like 50 in here. Comment down below and let me know if you all like to make your hot chocolate with milk or water. Stir, sip, and savor. But I'm going to show you how I make mine instead, actually. So dump that into there. My 2% milk. I like to take a spoon and just mix that up. And then I'm going to put this in the microwave for 1 minute and 20 seconds, which is basically standard for beverage. Get some marshmallows. So I have my marshmallows in here. I'm just going to add a few on top. So this is what it looks like right now. Why not? Let's make it cute. Yeah, I just feel like when you make it with the milk, it's more creamy, more thick, and not so watered down. You can do some cute whipped cream. But comment down below, let me know what your hot chocolate recipe is down below. I'm going to sit down and kind of just sip on this while I get today's video edited. So good. So good. If you're lactose intolerant, there's definitely ways around this ingredient list as well. I'm gonna sit here now and go ahead and get the video edited. I wish I could do it the way that I do my maintenance videos, where I kind of do like my hair, my nails, pedicure, all of that in one video. But if you all watch my maintenance week videos, y'all know that those clips kind of pile up throughout the week, and then I combine it all in one video. But since I have to post daily, I can't hold the nail video. I gotta go ahead and drop it right now. I haven't gotten my pedicure yet, so I'm probably gonna do red. I don't know. I think I might just do red. We're gonna figure it out. That's it for today. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I'm gonna have the Vlogmas playlist listed on the end over here if you all need to catch up. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel because it's absolutely free to do so. And yeah, for everybody that's been asking me what I want for Christmas, that's like an easy thing to gift me. Just subscribing to my YouTube channel. Doesn't cost you a thing. Alright, I'll talk to y'all later.
Every day Christmas, spinning like it's Christmas, feeling like it's